It is gorgeous. And I've seen these things in a few colors. I really, really love the white because I think it highlights the carbon most of all.
Well, you know, to me, when you look at the other colors, the black or the darker colors hide these accents. It hides this.
Yeah.
It hides these. It hides the.
Which are, if you think about it, mostly carbon. Like
Exactly.
it is the carbon.
This part, I mean, the white makes that thing look like a freaking fighter jet.
And I love these. I actually didn't pay attention to this before, but like
take that off.
more of like a race car style.
The locking hinges.
Yeah. No, the wheels are gorgeous, really. The more I look at them, and like I told you, I'm really not a fan of aftermarket wheels at all on anything, but they're really, really nice. And I'm just a sucker for carbon. Like anything carbon, you kind of won me over.
Oh, there you go.
But yeah, bricks and
well,
fords.
to have it match the rest of all the carbon stuff. It was a perfect marriage.
Yep.
Your feet, they don't move.
Yeah, and actually, apparently, they didn't even want to use carpeting. Like it's just a piece of sandpaper, so you don't really.
That's all. It's aluminum coated sandpaper, is what it is.
Is it abrasive? Like,
very.
Oh, it is. It's like sandpaper. Yeah. You see, when you're wearing shoes, you don't feel that. You just feel grippy, but with the hand,
you can take your shoes off and get a pedicure. Just kind of keep rubbing your foot.
Yeah. Take someone with you who has very bad dead skin.
Oh,
see, that's why Lamborghini is Lamborghini.
That's it.
I do the same with the Mercy. I just open both doors and I sit there and I look at it and like have coffee. It's like that. I love the fact that if this thing is in gear and you let off the brake, does it go back or do you have to put it in neutral? It will go back a bit. Yeah. It's the first time I've seen you do this. I don't see you do this.
I do it.
No, honestly, it sounds way better than before. Like, way better than before.
Let's open up.
Yeah.
Then the fact they had a car like this, built like this, to do what it does, and to put the exhaust they did on it, makes no sense.
No, it's beautiful.
And obviously, you know, it's not like a dual clutch transmission.
To be honest, with these cars, I like the fact that they kept them single clutch. It's kind of jerky and funny. Like,
it's an experience.
Yeah.
Every shift is an experience.
In a double clutch, you don't really feel it. It just goes. I love the fact that it's actually measuring the aerodynamics as you drive. Yeah. It's so cool. You can just.
And then when we came around the bend,
I always said for Lamborghini, they should always keep the reverse button on the left side of the car. Yeah. Like they're not here where the passenger can push it. Yeah, you can definitely hear it. It's a V12.
Yeah.
It better have that deep drop. Try to downshift here, just a tiny bit. It should make a pop. Yeah. The Aventador SV felt heavy.
Yeah.
This really doesn't. Like, it actually feels really light, and it's not. It's heavy. It's a heavy car, this one. No,
Yeah,
dude,
exactly.
this is way more nimble.
It is.
This is way more. It feels
totally-
lighter. It feels so much lighter.
It drives totally different. Like taking the turns and all that.
No, it's
This feels so much different
yeah.
taking that.
yes,
north.
yes. All right, you gotta hold this.
Okay. And that's straight pipe.
Not fully.
Okay.
It's pretty stiff on the bumps.
How many horsepower?
Right now, it should be in the close to the 600 range.
Okay. Oh, I love it.
My phone keeps falling out every time I push it. It's annoying.
Oh my God, I love it.
So what do you think of the sound?
I love it. I always loved it. Especially when you come drifting past me.
Yeah, like honestly,
What?
like I enjoyed Dubai so much because it was the first time I got to see a Blackseries from the outside, and I understood like, okay, that's freaking awesome. I'm always driving, so I
Yeah,
don't
because you
really-
don't ever get to follow your own
Yeah.
car. It just does it so effortlessly.
but it is snappy.
Yeah.
For example, I've driven a few M cars, like BMW M Power cars, and they are so easy to slide. Like I could slide it with one hand, no joke.
Yeah.
Like I could be on my iPhone filming and sliding with one hand, and I can do the job. This one it does it because it has power, but it's snappy. It grips in times when I'm not, like I'm kind of surprised that it's starting to grip. I think it's because of the differential. It's made to be like a track differential, so
Yeah.
it's meant to grip, but thankfully it does the job.
How often do you go through a set of tires?
Depends. If I drive like that on a weekly basis,
Yeah.
2 months,
Oh my God.
yeah. If you really want to be crazy, you can go through a set of tires in 15
a weekend?
minutes. No,
Oh, yeah, you
15 minutes. they're
smoke
gone.
'em off.
If you just want to like do donuts and stuff, it's crazy. But to be honest, today is a cool day for this.
Now, when they heat up like that, do you find they hook up better?
Oh yeah, but still, with this power,
Yeah, yeah.
it doesn't
It's
care.
not gonna,
It
yeah.
doesn't give a crap. I once bought Firestone slick tires for this car.
Really?
For the rear, only for the rear, just to try them out. It did not give a crap when they warm up, when they're cold. I changed the air pressure, raised it, lowered it. It's gonna go.
Just like all
Yeah.
over the place.
It's not a 0 to 60 car because it's gonna wheel spin
Yeah.
all the time.
Your mom will be like,
And she knows. She's like, oh, he's playing around
he's coming
somewhere.
home.
Actually, my mom always tells me, like, you were around the area, right? And I'm like, yeah, I was playing around somewhere.
She can hear you.
And my aunt, like, when I go to Valentine, if they're having, like, a barbecue or anything outside, like, when I come with another car, the door is locked, I have to ring the bell. When I come with this car, the door is already unlocked. It's like, yeah, we heard you, we knew you were coming, so we opened the door.
That's funny.
I love this road.
That was my street right there.
This is my street, man. Hit the bird. it.